Good day everyone, my name is Angeline Natalia from PSE 3D. So today I will be presenting the process of writing a research paper using our study titled The Challenges Encountered by English Majors in Developing Grammatical Competence. So English plays a vital role in academic and professional success. However, many students struggle to develop grammatical competence due to personal and psychological challenges. This research aims to identify these issues and suggest solutions. Let's go through the key components of writing a research paper. So for the statement of the problem, identifying a clear problem is essential in research. For our study, the main question was, what challenges do English majors face in developing grammatical competence? So, we addressed this by investigating the demographic profiles of students, personal and psychological factors affecting grammar learning, the effects of these challenges on academic performance. A well-defined problem ensures the research has a clear purpose. So for the assumption of the study, our research assumed the following: limited learning resources and exposure to English are major personal barriers. Psychological issues like anxiety and lack of confidence prevent students from improving their grammar. This assumption guided the direction of our research. So for the significance of the study, this study is important for several reasons. It helps students address their struggles with grammar. It provides teachers with strategies to support learners. It informs parents about how to better support their children. It lays the groundwork for future researchers in exploring grammatical competence. Understanding the significance highlight the impact of the research. For our definition of terms, the key term in our study include grammatical competence, the ability to use grammar effectively in communication; anxiety, feelings of worry or nervousness that hinder learning. This definition ensures clarity and consistency throughout the paper. The review of related literature. The two major RRLs, our review included Absal 2019, who identified vocabulary retention as a key barrier to mastering grammar; Beach and Lion 2021, who highlighted that interactive and engaging environments improve grammar learning. These studies emphasize the need for practical and interactive learning approaches. For our methodology design, we adopt a mixed methods research design to gather comprehensive data. These include an exploratory sequential design, starting with qualitative data collection followed by quantitative validation. Methodology respondents. Our study involved 131 first-year English majors at Baao Community College. These students were chosen because they are at a critical stage of developing foundational skills in grammar. For sampling, we used random sampling to ensure unbiased and representative results. This approach gave every student an equal opportunity to participate. For the instruments, our instruments included surveys to gather demographic data, grammar tests to measure students' skills, interviews to explore their experiences and challenges. So, these tools were validated by experts to ensure their reliability. For statistical treatment and data analysis, the data was analyzed during frequency and percentage um, distribution, weighted mean to evaluate grammar test scores, thematic analysis to identify recurring patterns, and themes in the interviews. This combination of methods provided accurate and meaningful results. So, our research sheds light on the struggles of English major in developing grammatical competence. By following a structured research process, we can address these issues and improve learning outcomes. So that's all. Thank you for watching.